Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Vangoa digital piano, specifically their 88-key weighted keyboard model. This is a full-size electric piano that's marketed towards beginners, but it seems to pack some features that could appeal to players of various skill levels. Right off the bat, the fact that it has 88 weighted keys is a huge plus, especially for anyone serious about learning piano. Having that realistic feel under your fingers is crucial for developing proper technique, just like playing on an acoustic grand piano. It's full size, which means you get the complete range of notes, essential for playing a wide variety of music. One of the standout features Vangoa highlights is the sound quality. They say it uses advanced sampling technology to capture the tone of a traditional acoustic grand piano. This isn't just a basic sound. They claim it's embedded with a powerful chip supporting 128 polyphony. For those who don't know, polyphony is the number of notes the piano can sound simultaneously. 128 is quite high, meaning you can play complex chords and use the sustain pedal without notes cutting out prematurely, which is a common issue on cheaper instruments. They also mention repeatedly testing and adjusting the timbre details to make the sound more realistic and excellent, which suggests attention to detail in the sound engine. Beyond the core piano features, it comes with some essential accessories. You get a sheet music stand, which is standard but necessary in a triple pedal unit. Having a dedicated triple pedal, including sustain, sostenuto, and soft pedals, is fantastic for beginners learning proper pedaling techniques and for more advanced players who need the full range of expression. Connectivity is also covered with USB MIDI support. This is great for connecting the piano to a computer or tablet for use with educational apps, digital audio workstations, DAWs, or music notation software. It opens up a lot of possibilities for learning, recording, and composing. Looking at the special features listed, it reiterates the weighted keys and the premium grand piano audio sampling. It also mentions a closer to nature design, which might refer to the aesthetic or perhaps the feel of the keys or materials used. It's described as compact, which is helpful for home use where space might be limited. There are multiple functions built in, though the description doesn't detail them all, suggesting it has more than just piano sounds. A dual headphone jack is included, which is incredibly useful for practicing quietly or for a teacher and student to listen simultaneously. The mention of playing with friends likely refers to the dual headphone jacks or perhaps a split keyboard mode, though that's not explicitly stated. Overall, based on the description, this Vangoa digital piano seems to offer a solid package for beginners and potentially intermediate players. The focus on realistic weighted keys, high polyphony, and sampled grand piano sound, combined with essential accessories like the triple pedal and useful features like USB MIDI and dual headphone jacks, makes it appear to be a well-rounded instrument for learning and playing at home. It covers the fundamentals needed to progress on the piano.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.